Friends, welcome to today's session. I was reading the book The Success Principles by Jack Canfield. It's a great book, and I came across two very powerful, life changing ideas that I will share with you. Number one, he talks about the power of writing goals. And number two, he talks about considering mastery as the ultimate goal of life. So let us take them one by one. Number one, he says that only 3% people in the world have clearly written very specific goals. Those are not vague goals. Other 97% have vague goals, and most of them have not written it. Vague goals lead to vague performance. So, until and unless we have written our goals very clearly, very specifically, we are not going to achieve anything great in our lives. Now, let me give you an example. First of all, let us consider what a vague goal is. A person says that in next 2 years I will purchase a new home, or I will construct a new home. This is an example of an idea, not a goal, or it is a vague goal. Now let us come to very clear and very specific goal. In that, the person will say that I will construct a home 2000 square feet in area, or 3000 square feet in area, or whatever he or she wants, and it will be constructed at this and this city, at this and this place, and I will move into that home on this and this date and this time. So each and every detail should be very, very clearly mentioned. It should be as detailed as possible. Once we have made a list of our goals, he says you keep on writing, let it be small or big. Whatever kind of goal it is, keep on writing and then keep watching that how many have you achieved. Second step in this process is every day try to read that list of your goals at least once or twice. Number three, when you are reading them, try to visualize how will you feel. Suppose your goal has been accomplished, any particular goal for that sake, and how will you feel once that goal has been accomplished, how happy you will be. So if you are doing these three things, you will see that those goals will become a part of your long-term memory. They will become a part of your subconscious mind. You will always remember them, and you will keep on taking tiny steps in that direction each and every day. So like that, you will keep on moving in the direction of achievement of your goals. Number two, mastery is the goal. Here he says that achieving mastery in your field should be the ultimate goal of your life. Now what happens when you are learning new things, you are learning new talents, you are gaining new knowledge, you are gaining new and valuable experiences, and you achieve mastery in your own field. Suppose, God forbid, if everything goes off, you lose all your money, you lose all your assets, you lose all your relationships, you are left on your own. Even if everything is gone, that mastery cannot be taken away from you till the last breath of your life. Whatever talent you have, whatever skills you have, whatever experiences you have, everything will remain with you, and that will help you to reconstruct your life in the same way as it was before. So friends, these are two very powerful and life-changing ideas. Please do remember them. Please put them in practice, and I hope these will help you to fulfill all your dreams, and it will help you to change your life for better. Thanks a lot for sparing your valuable time and for being with me till the end. I wish you luck. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep working toward the achievement of your goals. Best wishes always. Bye bye.